Hey y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl ℸ𝕋𝕋 back again with another video. So you guys, in this video I am doing a unopening. Y'all know I love a good unopening. Y'all love a good unopening too, cause Periana. So shout out to Influenster. They sent me this Hi honey, excuse me. Hi honey. The Creme Nature Pure Honey line. Y'all, it's so many good items in here, like I'm obsessed. Okay, so inside of this box you have the shampoo and conditioner. They gave 2 packs of each. They did give full size bottles of the 𝕷𝕬𝕂 leave-in detangler, as well as the curl activator, and they have supposed to be a new stronger hold of the edge control. So we're definitely going to get into this to see what it is giving. So if you're ready, I'm ready. I have already washed my hair. It is currently deep conditioning. I used my regular shampoo and conditioner, my OGX, but I did use the just the tea tree because I have to get into my scalp, because I'm having to get up to my scalp. Anyway, so yeah, I used my OGX tea tree shampoo and conditioner, but after I did the shampooing with my regular one and my conditioner, I used the Creme Nature. Oh, it smells so freaking good. It's like it's not too strong. It's like a real light scent, and it gets to the point. It suds up really good. There's no let me tell y'all some information about each shampoo and conditioner. For the shampoo, it cleanses, detangles, as well as helps to restore moisture for healthy looking hair. The conditioner helps to control frizz and seal in moisture for more smooth and soft hair. Infused with a blend of pure honey, certified natural coconut oil, and shea butter, and formulated with no sulfates or and no mineral oil. The 𝕷𝕬𝕂 leave-in detangler instantly detangles, improves manageability of your hair, and helps to repair split ends. Infused with a pure blend of pure honey, the certified natural coconut oil, and shea butter, and formulated with, again, no mineral oil or no petroleum. For the shrinkage defense curl activator, it helps to create soft, defined, and elongated curls while moisturizing and adding shine. It is also infused with the same things, and it has no sulfates, no mineral oil, and no silicones. And for the edge control, it is to be new and improved. Infused with argan oil from Morocco. It helps to control and hold down your edges. Also moisturizes and gives an exotic shine to the hair. This formula is non-sticky and non-greasing, leaving you with no buildup or residue. So now that I gave you all the tea, let's get into it. So today I'm going to be attempting the horseshoe method using well, obviously it only uses flexi rods, but shout out to, I gotta find her name. I'm gonna put a clip in, or like an insert here of the video. I've seen her like years ago, and I've actually did the horseshoe method, but I forgot how it came out. I want to say it came out good, but now I'm going to be able to like let it like really marinate and like dry, because that's the thing, like if your hair is not dry, it's not going to come out right. So I'm going to be able to let it dry overnight and then throughout the next day, and then I'll take it out. I'm also going to sit under my hooded dryer to help with the drying process, just to ensure that everything is a-okay, because I don't have time. I'm trying to slay out in these streets. You feel me? You feel me? Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so I just washed out the conditioner that I had in my hair. Just let it sit in for just a little bit. My hair was super soft. It didn't take too much to detangle it either. So now I'm just going to put sorry, a text came across my computer. So now I'm just sectioning off my hair into the sections that, you know, I want to have them in to make it more manageable to twist my hair. I'm going to use the ℸ𝕂𝕄𝕄𝕋 leave-in detangler to go ahead and apply to my hair and help with the detangling process. My hair wasn't that tangled up or anything like that, but I did want to just make sure I got it in there just to help with the detangling and to have a leave-in in as well. I like to do the lock method when I do my hair, leave-in oil and cream. So yeah, that definitely helps. And gotta love a good detangler too, because honey, baby, you see how that comb just glide? It's glide. No pain in my face because it's glad. So yeah, so I am going to go ahead and detangle that back section, and then coming up I will be adding some soft tea hair and scalp treatment, Indian hemp scent. Y'all, I love that. That reminds me of my childhood. My mom used that all the time in my hair when I was little. So to my edges and in that part area, I am going to be adding in the Creme of Nature edge control to go ahead and just, you know, get my edges sleek down, because Periana definitely want sleek edges. You know, we gotta have it. I'll also add more when I do the at the end. Couldn't get my words out. So now I'm going to take the Flexi rod, like Miss Curl Days. What is her name? I'm gonna put it in once I remember it. Yeah, put that like that. I had to run away when I did the first section, so I'm gonna show y'all the second section. So yeah, so the only thing you do is just take it and not tightly, but really, you know, not tight, but like you want to make sure that it's not, basically tight. You want to make sure that it's very taut around the Flexi rod, and you just wrap it all the way down to the end, and then I just kind of turn it in, and it really looks like a horseshoe too. If you look at it like that, it looks like a little horseshoe. So yep, just did that all over my head. I said I wasn't gonna start yawning, but I did anyway. So now I am just taking that edge control and putting it on my edges, and gonna go ahead and sleep them bad boys down, girl. And then put my little scarf on it so it can marinate. Y'all know I love to marinate, okay? And actually I didn't sit under the dryer. I was able to let it dry overnight and then dry all the day that next day, when I took it out. So that was very good, very, very good. I was happy for that. It was definitely dry. You know, we gotta have the dryness. So yeah, I'll be back. All right, y'all, so my hair has completely dried, and now it's time to take it down. I feel like I'm gonna take it down, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all in a couple of days after it gets like bigger. I'm just going to take it down now, and I'm not going to fluff it out too much. Definitely, if you don't have to do any picking to it, you can definitely just let it be and let it swell over time. It depends on my mood on if I want it to swell, if I want to like go ahead and pick it out, or if I just want to like let it swell over time. Usually when I do to preserve my curls, I do the pineapple method. So usually once I do the pineapple method, it kind of like stretches it out too. So usually I just do the pineapple, take it out in the morning, and then shake and go for the most part. So yeah, we just gonna get into it. We're gonna do like one on the side right here. So as you can see, we're just going to open it up and then unravel it. And you can usually, I guess maybe depending on which way you twisted the hair, you can just twist it on down. Round town. Okay. That one twisted strange. I don't know what it's doing, but y'all see that? Y'all see? Oh, Oh my god. Y'all see that curl? Y'all see how it look? I live, okay? I live for a good curl. All right, so we just gonna fast forward through the taking it out. So this is my hair after I have kind of separated all of the twist. I could have been more defined in the back. I'm not gonna start. In some spaces where I could have put more flexi rods and made it a little more defined in the back, but you know, teach his own. Girl, I was just ready to get it over it at that point. I'm just gonna take my little hair fluffer and just grab the hair and fluff it at the root and towards the end. I just don't want to really like bring it all the way through it, so I just want to pick at the root just a little bit. I'm going to take my scarf and put it in a pineapple. Y'all, I did not close out this video, so I do apologize, but I'm going to show you a TikTok of how it looked a couple of days after the fact. So I thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Any other hair tutorials or styles y'all want me to try, I am going to film an updated ℎ𝕆𝕄𝕄𝕄 video because of my girl Darty. So that's on the way sometime soon, maybe next month or in March. So I'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah. Whoa. I'm so pretty and he like that. Just wanna be your girl.